to fit in.
Wasn't a popular kid in school, and it made me forget about all that.
Friends were doing it.
I did drugs because it seemed like it was fun.
It was the cool thing to do.
The cool thing to do was to get high, go to parties.
First tried it because I was bored.
I was always up to try something new.
You know, when I was growing up, we had this program that was just say no, just say no.
People are just saying no, but they're not saying why.
It's like telling a person no and then they go do it.
I knew that they were bad, and I always heard about this addiction, but I didn't know what it meant.
That's probably the number one reason why I did drugs in the first place. I just didn't know.
A huge problem with teens today is drug abuse. Teens abuse drugs all the time. They abuse prescription drugs. They abuse things like marijuana, cigarettes. They abuse everything. By abusing these things, it also causes many problems for teens. It causes problems in relationships. It causes problems in school, and it causes problems in their everyday activities. A lot of times they become lazy. Abusing drugs hinders their relationships with their family and close friends, and we need to find a solution.
From here, it's important to understand that this can, and many times will, touch your lives. So many people think that this doesn't apply to them. This is not just a problem in urban areas, in poor areas. This is a problem in middle-class areas as well as everywhere, you know. There are kids suffering, there are kids dying every day, and the word just needs to get out.
The solution to this problem is that we need to get the word out. We need to let people know that drugs truly do affect teenagers, and teenagers die every day because of drugs. And there's many rehabilitation centers that teenagers could go to, and we need to truly let people know how bad these drugs are and how much teens do abuse them. And it'll save a ton of lives.